I'm going to see if crushed pecan shells would polish my brass. I have made a few videos using that lemon shine and detergent. So I'm just curious now if walnut would do it. Will crushed pecan shells do it? I'm gonna crush these shells up and let you know what happened. Well, I'm gonna take you through this little process. I did not know pecan shells were this hard. I knew they were hard, but I didn't know they was this hard. I actually dulled the blades on one of my Ninja processors, trying to cut these, and I found it easier to just get a weight, put it in a bucket, and just pound it. So I'm gonna do this. I have a whole bag, and I think I'm gonna get it to this consistency. And after that, I'm gonna see what I can do with trying to polish. I finally got those pecan shells crushed to. I might can crush them a little longer, but I didn't think they were that hard. I knew pecan shells was hard, but not that hard. So I'm gonna get these crushed shells, and I'm going to use some car polish, the finished 2001. I'm gonna use that, and I'm going to also use my little tumbler thing. So let me go and get everything and kind of set this up. Okay, I have this same bottle that I normally use, and I'm just going to place some of these shells in here. Let's see if I can get some light on here. I just really want to see how this is going to work. I have a lot of pecan trees up at the office, and I don't have nothing else to do. I want to see how this is going to work. Okay, I think I have it up to, it look like it's round, filled up to right here. I'm going to get some brass. Y'all see how dull this brass is, right? Dull brass. I'm also going to throw in some coins. I did a video with some coins. I want to see if it's going to polish those coins. So it should do something. You see how it's covering the shells. So it should do something. These are the coins. Now they look shiny, but they're not shiny. They're They look shiny, but they're not. I'm gonna let you know if they're shiny. Now this is shiny. We're not putting that one. Okay. Throw in some more of this. And the car finish here. I don't know if this gonna work or not. I just want to see, but if it does, we are going to have, I want y'all to see how much I'm gonna put in there. I guess that'll be enough. So I'm going to cover this and I'm going to shake it for an hour, and there's a movie on now, so I'm just going to shake this back and forth for an hour. I'm going to go an hour and a half. I stopped at an hour. Only because if I was doing the lemon shine, I would go 45 minutes to an hour. So I figured I'd just do this the same way. Let's take a look at this. I don't know if it's actually shiny or not. Well, compared to how it looked, I can say that the brass is shiny. See a lot of stuff on the inside, but I can say it's shinier than what it was. So I can say, yeah, it is shiny. I've seen the other the wet brass was just shinier. So I can, if I go an hour and a half, I can say that this is shiny enough for what I'm doing. The competitions that I'm going to be in, they really don't care how shiny your brass is, but it's shiny enough. The good thing I can say is I don't have to dry this. I have to check it to make sure a lot of stuff is not on the insides, but I can start reloading these now. So I can say that's the plus side on this. It's a little dusty, but I think I can deal with that. Let's see how the coins look. I threw those coins in here just to see if the coins are shinier than what they were then. Let's say that this is, I don't know. It really didn't shine the coins like the lemon shine does. So I'm gonna say with the coins, it didn't shine them like I thought it would be. It really didn't polish nothing. I think it knocked it knocked that dingy coat off these, but it really didn't polish the brass. But after you get through reloading them and handling them with your with the gloves on, with your 4 presses, they're gonna look like this anyway. So I'm gonna say, other than the fact that I can come straight from here, get the dust off, take the primers out and start reloading, that's the only good thing I can see that this did. I don't have to wait all night for it to dry and make sure that it's dry. It's dry, just dirty. So we're gonna say that this actually came out okay. Not the best, but it was okay. Thanks for watching this video. Now hit that like and subscribe button and let me know what you think about this. This is the follow-up on these shells, pecan shells, trying to polish my brass. This is the follow-up. I just really wasn't happy with the way that looked, so I went back to the tumbling and I tumbled these with the Lemon Shine and detergent, and you can see it's just a different shine altogether. So I think I'm just gonna stick with the Lemon Shine and dishwashing detergent. It's just shinier. I can deal with that waiting time to get it dry. But this right here, I'm just gonna call that a fail. Thanks for watching.